Python's syntax emphasizes readability through indentation, which defines code blocks instead of braces. This approach ensures clean, visually appealing code. Mastering indentation is crucial for writing functional Python programs, as it directly impacts code execution and error prevention. Properly indented code enhances readability, making it easier to maintain and debug. Python syntax is crucial for clear interpreter communication, preventing errors, and enhancing code readability. Unlike other languages, Python uses indentation instead of braces, ensuring code is naturally readable and visually clean. Adhering to these syntax rules prevents runtime errors and maintains program integrity, making Python a preferred choice for developers. Indentation in Python is crucial, defining code hierarchy through spaces or tabs at line beginnings. Lines sharing the same indentation form a block, signifying a logical unit. Python enforces this strictly, with errors arising from inconsistencies. Unlike other languages, Python mandates indentation, ensuring clear, visually structured code. Correct indentation in Python ensures code runs smoothly, as seen in the example where each block uses 4 spaces. An indentation error occurs when indentation is inconsistent, like using 2 spaces instead of 4, disrupting the code's logical flow and causing syntax errors. Python's indentation-based syntax contrasts with brace-based languages like C and Java, where braces define code blocks. In Python, indentation is mandatory, enhancing readability and enforcing consistent formatting. This approach reduces syntactic clutter, making Python code cleaner and more self-documenting, as the interpreter uses white space to determine block structure. PEP 8 recommends using 4 spaces per indentation level for optimal readability. Avoid tabs, as they can display inconsistently across editors. Mixing tabs and spaces leads to tab error exceptions. Ensure all lines in a block have consistent indentation. Configure your editor to insert 4 spaces when pressing tab to maintain uniformity. Indentation in Python defines the scope of conditional statements. In the example, age is 16. So the condition age greater than or equal to 18 is false. The else block executes, printing "you are a minor" and "keep learning." The unindented "thanks for checking" runs regardless, illustrating how indentation dictates execution flow.